there. So you got started with your HubSpot website, and now once you have initiated the whole design process and a lot of other things, after going through our previous guides, you are now at a stage where you want your brand to shine further. And what would be better than having a custom domain name for your website? So if you have a custom domain name, you would connect it to your website. And then the logical step would be to have SSL on your website. So modern websites are often behind HTTPS protocol, which is a secure protocol. If you have an HTTPS protocol on your website, it signals to your upcoming prospects and leads that you're somebody who cares about their security a lot. In today's video, we are going to tell you how you can have SSL on your custom domain on HubSpot. So firstly, there's the easy approach, which involves nothing more than just connecting your domain name to your HubSpot account. So that's what we did firstly for our website. So we at CT9 are just testing out waters, testing things. So we developed a portfolio website for myself, which is theadityanathjha.com. So firstly, when I connected that website with my HubSpot account, I got an option to connect my GoDaddy account where the domain name resides to HubSpot. The integration was super smooth and easy. By default, when you connect domain name to your account, HubSpot automatically provisions a standard SAN SSL certificate through Google Trust Services. So this was one of the ways wherein you can enable SSL on your website where you have integration with something like GoDaddy, but otherwise you have to enable it like this. Go to domains and URLs and then click on the domain for which you want to enable SSL. Click on actions on the right side of the domain wherein it would appear, and click on update domain security settings, enable the required HTTPS toggle and select the TLS version which you want, and then click on save and then confirm. If you're somebody who wants to use a different provisioner or a type of certificate, you can always add a custom SSL certificate to your account by purchasing the custom SSL add-on. For security reasons, you cannot use an existing custom SSL certificate. Either you need to use the certificate generated freely by HubSpot, or you need to use a custom SSL certificate of your own, which is brand new. So HubSpot is not a certificate authority and it does not issue custom SSL certificates. What you need to do is buy your custom SSL certificate from an issuing authority, and at the same point of time, you need to buy the custom SSL add-on for HubSpot. Before you go on and purchase the HubSpot custom SSL certificate add-on, you should decide what kind of SSL certificate you want in the first place. The type of custom SSL certificate you need depends upon how many domains you will be hosting on it. Although the process is lengthy, it's easy to follow. The best way around would still always be the default way that you get SSL on your HubSpot account whenever you connect your domain name to your account, and that's one of the easiest ways in order to set SSL for your domain. The custom solutions are only for those people who want to have a lot of subdomains and then serve SSL on all of them. So I hope that this guide served you all. And for all such HubSpot related queries, you can follow ctn9.com and just scan the QR code in front of you in order to book a private consultation call wherein we can help you with custom designs, your HubSpot related ideas, or your whole inbound marketing journey. And I will see you guys soon in the next video.